This is a 1972 Lakewood model S-23 20-inch box fan. I got this fan from the garbage. It's in overall pretty horrible condition. You can see the bottom of the fan is really rusty. Inside, other than that, is okay. Paint on top is, pretty. Right here, over there it's alright, but right here it's got lots of little lines in it and cracks and everything. That side has got rust in the middle and rust at the bottom, and this side has got more rust at the bottom than the other side does, and rust up there, and it's just a rusty fan, but I want to restore it someday. I always wanted a terracotta Lakewood since I saw one on YouTube back in 2006. So when I found this one, I had to jump on it, of course. I would have grabbed it no matter what, because it's a Lakewood. It's a box fan. I would have grabbed it no matter what. And I got it home, and the motor was a bit stiff, but the fan still ran. It was maybe the dirtiest box fan I've ever found in the garbage. It was horrible how dirty the thing was, but cleaned up pretty good. The grills aren't yellowed, surprisingly. The handle's pretty yellowed. Handle's in good shape, though. It's still complete. A lot of these things I see with the small handles, a lot of Lakewoods I see with the small handles, the whole middle of the handle is just busted right out of the fan. But anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.